Alright, I will be setting up my bullet journal for the month of February, but before I get started, I just want to show you what I did in January. And before I show you this, I just want you to keep in mind that I am a bullet journal newbie. So this is only like my first month using it, and I did skip the first few pages because I don't know what pages I want to put at the beginning. So I started January on page 11. And I did a process video for this page. Let me see. I was supposed to go back and put some goals. I didn't really put any. But the way I'm using this, I'm not using it so much as a planner. I use the Happy Planner just to keep up with daily tasks. This is more like my, I don't know, I guess my emotional or my self-care planner. And just a spot to do my daily journaling. So this is kind of, I don't know, maybe a mood board for the month, just whatever inspires me for that month. And then I go into my journaling pages, and let me see, this was my first week, and I separated it by the days of the week. I'm not sure if that worked for me, because you can see Monday, the first 2 days I did some journaling, and then I don't know, the box kind of got in my way. So I don't know, I just kept writing outside of the lines. And this one is for the upcoming week, and I have not done any journaling. Let me see, I do have something in this I just put this in that little pocket because one of my favorite TV shows, The Magicians, is coming back this week. So I just have that in there because I'll probably journal something about that. But I basically want to see like which format will work. So for the month of February, I will do 2 of these and then 2 of these, so I can see if I just like, you know, just open space to journal, or if I need the days. And there is also a process, I think this is my last process video I did. And this is one that I did not record. Let me see, but I did date it. And I just felt like journaling one day. But let me see, like I have some little notes written under there. And I think I'm used to journaling in a format without boxes, without days, without anything. But I'm trying to force myself to journal every day, not just when I have a lot on my mind. So that is it for January. So let's get started setting up February. like I planned, but I'm going to go with it anyway. Highs and lows of the month. And my calendar, which I'm not using as a calendar, but it is a doodle per day. And that is it. And my journaling layouts, if I do any, will be in separate videos.